Once there lived a boy in a very small village. His name was Kabir. He was poor, so poor that most days his pockets were completely empty. His shoes had holes, his school bag was torn, and sometimes he went to bed hungry. But there was one thing inside Kabir that nobody could see. It was his dream. He wanted to do something big in life, something that would change his destiny and the destiny of his family. But every time Kabir shared his dream, people laughed. How can a boy with empty pockets think about big things? You should only think about earning bread for the next day. Their words hurt him. But deep inside, Kabir believed that his future was not limited to his present condition. One evening, Kabir was sitting near a river, feeling sad. An old wise teacher named Guruji saw him and asked, "Why do you look so troubled, my child?" Kabir replied, "Guruji, everyone says I cannot do anything great because I am poor. They say my dreams are too big for a boy with nothing in his hands." Guruji smiled and handed him a mirror. "Look into this mirror. What do you see?" Kabir said, "I see myself." Guruji asked, "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" Kabir nodded slowly. Guruji said, "Now look deeper." Pause. "Can you see the fire hidden behind that pain?" Kabir looked again, and this time he felt something powerful staring back at him. Guruji said, "This fire is your belief." Pause. "Most people ignore it and give up. But if you protect this fire, feed it with courage and discipline, it will light your path even in the darkest nights. People will try to cover your mirror with dust. They will make you believe you are not enough. But you must keep cleaning it with your actions. Keep seeing your true self every day and never forget what you are capable of." Kabir took the mirror and the message to heart. From that day, he applied the same lesson to his life. He started reading every book he could find. He practiced writing. He learned from every mistake. And he dreamed, not just of passing in class, but of becoming something that would change his family's fate. His journey was not easy. His mother was very sick. His father, an old farmer, worked all day and still returned home with empty hands. Kabir knew he had to do something. Every morning, Kabir went to school. In the evening, he worked at a small tea shop. On weekends, he learned skills from a mechanic. And every night, pause, when the village was asleep, Kabir sat under a dim light and studied with full focus. He sacrificed sleep, comfort, even food sometimes. But he never stopped. His mirror, his dream was always in front of him. Years passed. Slowly, he started a small mobile repair business, then a tiny electronics shop. He worked day and night, treated every customer with respect, and reinvested every bit he earned. With strong will and smart planning, his business grew. From one shop to 3, then his own brand of mobile accessories. The same people who once laughed at him now waited outside his office for a chance to work with him. His mother received proper treatment, and his father no longer worked in the fields. One day, Guruji visited him.
Kabir welcomed him with deep respect. Guruji smiled and said, "You see, Kabir, the world tries to make poor boys think small. But those who dare to think big rewrite their story. You are proof that dreams are not measured by the money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart." If you liked this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like this.